CNC Neon. Here, got a review on Rotor II, which is a company online store called mart.com. They sent it to me to do a review on it. It's a pretty decent helicopter. Alright, what comes with it is, of course, the helicopter. Has a remote. You can turn the light off and on by hitting the switch. It has trim settings here on the remote. It's 2.4. Also, this button here slows it down, speeds it up. It's a pretty good helicopter to be $26. It comes with a USB port for charging the helicopter also, and it can be charged also off of the remote here. Got a little cord inside there, so it can be charged off the remote, but I advise to charge it off of the USB port if you're at the house, and if you're away from the house, charge it off of your remote. So there's gonna be a little flight with it. Alright, and as always, got my son Daquan doing recording. This is a three-channel heli. So you only have rotor right and left, and you got up elevator and you got down elevator. Like I said, you can turn the lights off by remote. So this will be a nice little Christmas present. Very nice little Christmas present for somebody. Not bad for a little $26 helicopter. Pretty powerful little helicopter. It does have a gyro in it, so you don't want to. You can hit it and stay where it needs to be hit. Stay there. This takes me back when I first got started in the helicopters. My wife bought me one out of the mall, and I swear it was the hardest thing to fly. This right here, pretty nice helicopter. Just for somebody, wanting to put around, play around with. Nice for the kids. And you can also get parts for it. From the description on the box, you can get parts from it. So you can go to mart.com to get these parts. A little bit of nose in action for you guys. A little bit of pyro going on with it. Alright. I mean, it's a pretty stable heli. So, just want to show off the heli that they sent me to do a review on. And like I say, you can get this from mart.com. As I always say, guys, get it all the time. TNT out.